Hey guys, we received this Diveotree silicone shower squeegee for glass and doors for test and try. So this is a multi-purpose squeegee for bathroom, shower, windows, glass door or any other purpose and use. So let me just open this up and show it to you. So it comes in this nice box thing, and let me just open this up. So this one have the wooden handle that you can use. It comes with the storage hook as well, so you can easily store it. So the handle itself is 10.6 inches along with the uh, squeegee, and then the width of the squeegee is around 1 inch in the width and 10 inch in the length. So here it's very easy to assemble, and this is free to swipe and have a 45-degree angle for the structural design thing, and you can see like the squeezy rubber stuff. So it's good quality, easy to use, and easy to clean. And yep, like let me just show that on a glass door as well. But this is the hook that comes with it, that you can just stick on the wall and just use this to hold this squeegee. So this is like a complete set that you can use. And here, like say like if I'm just cleaning the glass, so it's easy to squeeze, works really well, and there is no like squeaky sounds, but good to clean and dry out the water. So it take up the water really nicely, as you can see, and works really well.